We had a lot of rain. I actually saw a lot of rain where I was yesterday.
Yeah.
But fun, and now the sun's out and it's humid.
That Father's Day rain is just a distant memory now. As
Yeah.
you get into Monday, it dries out. What do you know? Current conditions across the area, we're in the low to mid 80s. The dew points are around 70. So, yes, it's a little humid out there. That's going to be the story really until the soils dry out around here. And that really won't be until we get into July because we're getting into our drier season. Satellite radar view, you see nothing going on at all. Now, our forecast models are showing a little activity across our southeast. It might get into Anderson County this afternoon and early evening. That's about it for rain chances in North Texas today. Otherwise, temperatures climb up into the low 90s. The feel-like temperatures will break into the triple digits, but keep in mind, you look at these temperatures and those feel-like temperatures, by the time we get into mid-July, this will be a cool day. But anyway, it's warm out there. Warm, humid, and breezy is the story tomorrow. Wednesday, warm, humid, and breezy day, but we get into the evening hours. There's some small rain chances that linger into Thursday. More about that in a second. But Friday, we start summer. I'm putting in a small chance of rain on Friday afternoon, but a warm and breezy day expected on Saturday. Here's your 3-day outlook. Notice the continuity of the temperatures. Yes, consistent. We're into the mid-90s across all 3 days. Juneteenth on Thursday looks like very small rain chances. We put it at about 10%, but the better chance will be Wednesday night. And better chance, I mean 20%. I mean, this is this time of year when we really hope to continue with our June rains, because June is actually one of our wetter months. But it gets more and more difficult for fronts to get down here. You can see by the time we get into Wednesday night, this front might get here, might bring us some thunderstorms, more likely along the Red River. What's left of them roll over the Metroplex. That usually means not a lot of rain, but at least we're talking about rain chances. But with a stationary front draped over us for a couple of days, this might help actually on Friday with rain chances coming up from the Texas coastline, the sea breeze storms. If you have some kind of frontal boundary that is a low pressure system and it helps pull that moisture up. So the rain chances are around on Friday, though they look pretty meager as well. You know, when we look at the first 15 days of June, 10 of them had some kind of rain at DFW. We've had some generous rains here in early June, but we quickly get to dry weather this time of year. Keep in mind that May, our wettest month, 60 days later, we're in our driest month, which is July. So that is why when we look at the 7-day forecast, we don't see a lot. We see temperatures in the 90s. We see rain chances around, but pretty small. So we're getting into the doldrums of summer rather quickly.